Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Now today I am here again with another activity on angles. Now today I will be telling you and I will be showing you how you can use your hands, how you can use different things to show different types of angles. Now first we should understand what is an angle. When two rays meet, now suppose these are two rays. This distance is called, they are meeting at this point which is called vertex, and this distance is called angle. Now we will be learning about different types of angle. Now the first angle in front of you is right angle. Now you can see these two rays and it is making a square corner. So this is called right angle. Now how will you use these sticks to show the right angle? Now you can put it like this. Now this gives you an image of L, like your letter L. So this is vertical and this is horizontal completely. So this is your right angle. You can use the sticks. Now how can you use your hands? You can put your hand horizontally and vertically. Now this way you can show right angle. This way or this way. You can even use your fingers like if to show the letter L. Now this is making right angle. Alright. Now moving on, I have obtuse angle. Now obtuse angle is an angle which is more than right angle. If you see these two rays, this distance is more than the distance of right angle. So these rays are showing you the obtuse angle. Now how will I use these sticks to show the obtuse angle? I will put it like this and this way. Now if I put these two sticks like this, it is showing you obtuse angle. Now if you don't want to use the sticks, you have pencils ready at home. So you can use pencils like this and you can show the obtuse angle. And if you don't have anything, you can use your hands like this. This is horizontal and this vertical will be little more this side, and this is your obtuse angle like this and like this. So this is your obtuse angle. Now let's come to acute angle. Now acute angles are those angles which are less than 90 degrees, less than right angle. Now right angle is 90 degree, we will not talk about that, but which is less than right angle, that is called acute angle. The cute face, that is acute angle. You can do like this also. This is your cute face and this is your acute angle. Now how you will show acute angle using the sticks? Just make a V and this is your acute angle, or A. This again becomes your acute angle. You want to use your pencils to showing that. This is your acute angle. You move this way. This also becomes your acute angle. Now I will show you using the hands. Now acute angle will be like this and like this. You can do like this also. This also is your acute angle. Now how will you use these sticks to find out the angles in a shape? Now you can either use the sticks or you can use the pencils. I am using the sticks. I will place the sticks here. Now if you see, it is making a square corner. So that means this is right angle. Now I placed it here again. So you see that it is making a square corner. So this is a right angle. Now if you see here, this is horizontal and this is more, bigger than the right angle. So this will be my more than right angle, which is obtuse angle. I am putting O for obtuse angle. Now these are my right angles. Now if you see this here and I am putting a stick here, this is less than right angle. So this is my acute angle. Quickly, with your hands, let us revise. What is this angle? Think. Acute, right, obtuse. So how will you do? Acute, right, obtuse. Acute, right, obtuse. Just practice this activity and I hope you will enjoy doing this at home. Thank you.